Hey James, how you doing? I've got your Slimy Duck PDF up right here. Let's go ahead and take a look. Slimy Duck, I love it. It's hilarious. Good job on your word associations. Good, really great job. Great exercise. Great exercise. Remember this exercise and carry this through your career. Seriously, I mean, I've got a circle of designers that I keep in regular contact with, and every one of them, there's probably 15 or 20 of us in our kind of immediate group, and we always just kind of confer back and forth and kind of compare notes, talk about clients, talk about jobs, etc. It's kind of like a little social forum for graphic designers. And one of the things that we talk about in that forum is the need to keep your creative juices flowing, so to speak. So really to keep cultivating your creativity throughout your career. A lot of times designers find as they progress through their career, it becomes harder and harder to stay creative. I disagree. I find I get more creative on a daily basis. And one of the reasons I do is because I do these exercises regularly. I have been for 30 years. I'll do a word association for an illustration or just to make sure I can illustrate something. So I have Sleepy Lemon. All right, so how am I going to illustrate Sleepy Lemon or any random combination of violent lemon or bitter power? And how am I going to illustrate that, expeditiously with delivering this concise message in a quick and concise way? So it's a wonderful, wonderful exercise, and one I think you should really, really continue using this exercise throughout your student career as well as into your professional career. Slimy Duck, love it, love it. One thing I would recommend is revenge about the surrounding circumstances of Duck Howard after his home became contaminated with human waste. That almost appears to be human waste, as in uh, actual human waste. Okay, so maybe from the waste sewers somehow got mixed in with the duck pond. But your posters kind of indicate a little something different, specifically right here where they're showing this wouldn't be human waste, this would be environmental waste based on the nuclear power plant, right? So I think that little indication right there should really think that through. Is it human waste or is it environmental waste? Okay, so as far as the Slimy Duck, the whole story is fantastic. I think it's fantastic. I like this poster a lot. I love the placement of the type and the relationship to the overall picture plane. I like the way that you introduced these characters, though you don't talk about the pig in your summary, so you want to introduce that pig. Oh, wait a second. There he is, Mr. Pig. CDO, greedy Mr. Pig. Excellent. 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 Love it. So there's greedy Mr. Pig, and there's the little duck whose family gets negatively affected by the seemingly selfish, self-centered decisions made by the pig that runs the nuclear power plant. This is fantastic. I can't wait to see this one come to light. So I think at one point, I think I probably don't need to mention this, but I do. I said you're not going to be using illustrations here. You're going to be using actual images. So this is raster image processing, right? Meaning we're using images. So that's an actual image from a camera of a pig and a duck and a power plant and a factory, etc., and the earth and the dripping slime off the earth and all of that stuff. So keep that in mind. Really, really great start. I can't wait to see this one come. I know I say that to every student. I'm like, wow, this is great. I can't wait. And I mean it. Every one of these is blowing me away. I'm just so pleased with the creativity of this class. I'm loving it. So, and James is certainly no exception. This is a fantastic start. So at this point, yes, let's go ahead and proceed in the direction you find has the most potential. Keep on those course resources. Keep on that. Keep on your research. It's to a very high degree going to define the success of this project. So at this point, I want to reiterate and reinforce if you have any questions at all, please let me know. I'll be more than glad to make any clarifications necessary. But again, please feel free to move forward in the direction you find has the most potential. And again, yes, I'm right here for any questions. It's a great start, James. Thank you very much for sharing.